Find the perimeter of the cardioid. R is equal to A into 1 plus cos theta. Here the equation is of the form R is equal to f of theta. So to find the perimeter of the cardioid, we can use the equation of length of plane curves in polar coordinates. That is, S is equal to integral theta 1 to theta 2 root of r square plus dr by d theta square into d theta. And the curve is symmetrical about the initial line, that is x-axis. Since the change of theta by minus theta does not alter the given equation, r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Hence, the perimeter of the given curve is twice the length of the arc of the curve lying above the initial line, that is x-axis. And above the initial line, the arc varies from theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi. And the limit of integration are theta is equal to 0 and theta is equal to pi. Hence, the required perimeter is given by S is equal to 2 into integral 0 to pi square root of r square plus dr by d theta square into d theta. Now r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. A into 1 plus cos theta. Then dr by d theta is equal to a into d by d theta of 1 plus cos theta. Here a is a constant, so we can take it outside of differentiation. Now a into d by d theta of cos theta is minus sin theta. And d by d theta of a constant, derivative of a constant is 0. So d by d theta of 1 is 0. Now S is equal to 2 times integral 0 to pi square root of r square, that is a square into 1 plus cos theta square plus dr by d theta square, that is minus a sin theta square, a square sin square theta into d theta. And this is equal to 2 into integral 0 to pi, we can take a outside because that is a common term in both function. The remaining term is 1 plus cos theta square, that is a plus b the whole square form, a square plus 2ab plus b square, and 1 plus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta into d theta is equal to 2 into integral 0 to pi square root of cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 cos theta into d theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 cos theta is equal to 2a into integral 0 to pi square root of 2 into 1 plus cos theta into d theta is equal to, and we know that 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. Then this equation becomes 2a into integral 0 to pi square root of 2 into 1 plus cos theta is 2 into cos square theta by 2 into d theta. 1 plus cos theta is 2 into cos square theta by 2. And this becomes 2 into 2, 4. Square root of 4 is 2. So 4a into integral 0 to pi root of cos square theta by 2. That is cos theta by 2 into d theta. Is equal to 4a into integral cos theta d theta is sin theta. So instead of theta we have theta by 2. So the integration becomes sin theta by 2 divided by 1 by 2. The limit is 0 to pi is equal to 8a into sin pi by 2 minus sin 0. Here I have applied the upper limit and lower limit. And this is equal to 8a into sin pi by 2 is 1 minus sin 0. Sin 0 is 0. So the given perimeter of the cardioid R is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta is 8a. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel Speak with Math. Thank you.